AI is moving so fast, it's almost hard to keep up. But for 2025, it's all about practical tools that actually get things done. We're going to cut through the hype and break down 5 essential tools you can start using right now. So let's jump right in. Just take a second and think about it. AI is already quietly changing how you work, how you learn, how you create stuff. So it's not really a question of if it's going to change things anymore, right? The real question is, how are you going to use that change? And that's really what this is all about. The evolution is just accelerating like crazy. I mean, this stuff isn't science fiction anymore, not by a long shot. These are powerful, easy-to-use tools that are ready and waiting for you. And we're not talking about abstract ideas here. The benefits are real. We're talking about tools that can literally save you hours of work, seriously boost your productivity, open up new ways to make money, and even spark ideas you never would have had otherwise. These are real results. Okay, let's kick things off with a big one, a name I'm sure you already know, ChatGPT. But seriously, whatever you think you know about it, just park that for a second, because what it's become in 2025 is a whole different beast. Yeah, you really have to stop thinking of it as just a chatbot. It's more like a Swiss Army knife for pretty much your entire digital life. It's been beefed up to be the super comprehensive assistant that can handle almost anything you can imagine. And look, this is a really important point. If the only thing you've ever used it for is to write a quick email or ask a simple question, then you have barely, and I mean barely, scratched the surface of what this thing can do now. I mean, just take a look at what it can do now. It's way beyond just text. ChatGPT can create videos, generate images, crunch through complex data, and even build simple websites. It can brainstorm your next YouTube series or help you map out an entire business strategy. It's a true creative and analytical powerhouse. Okay, so from that all-in-one powerhouse, let's zoom in on some more specialized creation tools. These are all about turning your ideas from just plain text into incredible video and audio. First on our list is Runway ML. If you've heard anything about AI video generation, you've probably heard this name. It has very quickly become the go-to platform for creators, for marketers, for pretty much everyone. And how it works is, well, it feels pretty much like magic. You literally just type out a description of the scene you want in your head, and poof, the AI creates a cinematic video clip for you. No camera, no crew. It's a total game changer. Okay, sticking with creation tools, let's talk about 11 Labs. When it comes to creating realistic, human-sounding voices, this platform is, wow, it's just in a league of its own. And here's a wild thought for you. This voice, the one you're hearing right now, it absolutely could have been made with 11 Labs. Kind of makes the whole concept feel a lot more real, doesn't it? So you can see why this is perfect for things like faceless YouTube channels, podcasts, or creating unique character voices for stories. But what's so amazing is its ability to capture that natural tone, real emotion, even different accents. It's getting really, really hard to tell the difference. All right, so we've talked about creation. Now let's switch gears to pure productivity. These next couple of tools are designed to streamline your workflow and save you a ridiculous amount of time. And first up here is a tool called Perplexity AI. It's basically trying to completely reinvent the way we search for stuff online, moving us past the old school search engine. So what's the big difference? Well, instead of just getting a massive list of links you have to click through and read yourself, Perplexity actually does the heavy lifting for you. It gives you a straight-up summary answer, but, and this is key, it also gives you the citations so you know exactly where the information came from. So what does that all boil down to? It means speed and trust. It's fast, it's accurate, and honestly, it's an absolute game changer for anyone who does research. Students, writers, content creators, you name it. Okay, our last productivity tool is called Gamma, and this one tackles a problem I think we've all felt, the pain of making a good presentation. Gamma's whole pitch is that it's the fastest way to get from an idea to a beautiful, polished slide deck. And get this, the process is ridiculously simple. You just give it your topic, maybe feed it a document, and that's it. It handles everything else. It writes the copy, finds the images, and designs professional-looking slides for you in seconds. Yeah, you can pretty much say goodbye to PowerPoint. So there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful tools that are really going to shape how we work in 2025. Let's do a quick recap just to see how this all clicks together into a new kind of toolkit. So here's the final playbook. You've got ChatGPT as your all-in-one brain, your strategist. Then there's Runway ML, basically your personal video director. Perplexity acts as your super smart research assistant. 11 Labs is your on-demand voice actor. And finally, Gamma is your instant presentation designer. See how they all fit a specific role?
Look, the bottom line is this. Even just picking one of these tools and adding it to your daily routine could make a huge difference. But learning how to use them together, man, that could absolutely transform the way you work and create this year.
So that really just leaves one last question. After seeing what's possible now, from making videos without ever touching a camera to building a whole presentation in seconds, which one of these are you most excited to try out first?